Now this illustration deals with cutting, removing, or rerouting of conductors in accordance with NFPA 70E 130.12 and informational note. The purpose of the change is a new section has been accepted and added that outlines requirements for cutting, removing, or rerouting of conductors in an electrical system. Now notice this individual here is re-pulling these conductors, rerouting them as shown in this illustration right here at this junction box or pull box, how it's been sized in accordance with the NEC and so forth. But notice we're making sure that we comply with 70E 130.12, page 41. The note says, removing or rerouting of conductors as outlined in 70E 130.12 as well as the informational note. This information and requirements can be found on page 41 of 70E. Now, notice that we could look at 120-208 volt systems as you see here in 220.5A, and this should be of the NEC on page 70. And notice here we're cutting these conductors, maybe splicing them together to complete the circuit, and they must be de-energized to do this, to perform this type of task in accordance with 70E 130.12 and the informational note. And that's mainly what this revision is all about. The requirements of this section, when we're cutting or, removing conductors, then they should be de-energized, maybe even locked and tagged out in accordance with Article 120. But this section kind of prohibits cutting, removing, or rerouting of conductors. We don't want them energized so that we may get electrical shock or create a electrical arc type condition. And that's what this new section is all about.